Hey there, I want to tell you why I love my new Tucketts socks, open toe socks. So this was a free sample provided by Tucketts and I like it because it's open toes. So as you can see here, this is great because it has an arch support here, and then the toes are free. It gives you the bare feet sensation, and it's also non-slip, as you can see here. They do cover more of my my pinky toes, so keep that in mind if you just have a pedicure done. uh, Also, they give you a little bit of compression, which is very healthy for your legs. And you can do with these socks, you can do Pilates, you can do yoga, and you don't have to be completely bare feet. I like them. I also planning to work out with them. Even if I want to wet my feet, I can do it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Check them out. Thank you for watching.